What's up, YouTube? Zanrith here, and today we're going to let you guys listen to the stock exhaust on my ZX-6R. This has been requested 3 or 4 times from people on Instagram and Facebook. So for you guys, I'm going to make you a video. It's a little warm out here, so we're going to do this quick. And we'll get a couple camera options. I got my Nikon set up down there. I got my GoPro on my head. And that's basically going to be the 2 sounds you get. You're going to get the version through the GoPro, through the Senna technically, and then the one down there. So we're going to start it up. It's the engine and idle. It's pretty quiet, not too bad. It's 4,000, 6,000, 8, 10, 14,000, another 14, and a third. So that would be your stock exhaust. That's all I got for you guys. It's a nice little exhaust. Sounds great. Works well. But there's not much to it. It's quiet. Need to get something new on it. So let me know what you guys think, what I should get. I was thinking a Two Brothers full exhaust. I kind of want to go with a full exhaust, just because I can. And I have the skills to. And let's check the camera. Oh, we're not even in focus. We're not even in the right place. It's supposed to be up there. Ah, well, you guys will hear it enough. That's what we're here for. Okay guys, this is going to be my quickest video ever. Till the next one, let me know what else you guys want to see. Later.